So let's begin with Lego. All right, let's hear from the head of marketing, Mr. Densi Marcaida. Let's give him a big round of applause, everybody. All right, so there's a more safe spot to come up the stage with. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, how do you want me to call you, sir?
Denny.
Denny, all right. Denny, so you're the head of marketing of Lego. So I'd like to understand. So how is Lego a part of the automobile show that we have right now?
Lego has its own campaign this month, which we call the Lego Vehicle. Coincide this event that the Calabarzon Motor Show. So Miss Amy invited us to be here to be part of this event.
That's very good. Sir, mukhang maganda yung mga models natin ng Lego ngayon. So is there a model of Lego that you'd like to have people, kids at heart to also want to try out?
Yeah, we have a lot of Lego sets from Lego Technique. We have the 42171, the Lego McLaren. We have also the 42141, the Lego Mercedes F1. We have the 76919, the Lego McLaren F1. So we have a lot of Lego sets, a lot of Lego vehicle sets that you can enjoy in this event.
Thank you, sir. And also, by the way, I see that there are Lego setups right here. And then we have on the other side a race track. So how are they related to each other and what do people expect tomorrow?
So for tomorrow, we have building activities where the winners can get a free poly bag. We have different activities. We have a building competition. We have a tallest building competition. We have also the racetrack where the winners. We have two sets of children who will be building Lego sets. So the winner will be getting a Lego poly bag. Then we also have the Lego mascot. There's a chance to meet our Lego mascot tomorrow and Sunday.
Oh, that's very good. So tomorrow can be a very good family day as well.
Yes, definitely.
And we have a lot of people who still be playing with Lego. It does not end with us being kids. It can still be something that we can do even as we are right now.
Yes.
True?
Lego sets is not only for the kids, all the adults, all the parents, and everyone who has the creativity to build anything, and only the limit is your imagination.
All right, thank you so much. And can you invite everybody to take part in your Lego event tomorrow?
So everyone, please come in our Lego area to experience the different activities. Tomorrow we have a building competition and the Lego mascot. So hopefully you will enjoy this event together with other participants. So see you in our area.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lego